Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and welcome to the Mind Box. Alright, so in today's one, this video is going to be very crisp, very short, but something useful. So please watch till the end. Alright, so in today's video, I'm gonna teach you the two slangs which are quite popular around the globe, and they are not something new, they are from generations. All right, so let's see what are these two slangs, and I'm sure these two slangs is going to be very useful in your everyday communications. So very first is a go Dutch. Yeah, go Dutch. Go Dutch means simple in the very simple way, to contribute for own expenses. Whether you guys are going for the party at restaurant, or you guys going for having the coffee in the group, or you guys going for a trip or in traveling in the group. So the one does not have to carry the burden of expenses by their credit card. Definitely. So when we contribute in expenses for our own meals, for our own expenses, we simply call go Dutch. So definitely, yeah, I like this one especially. So if I'm going for the trip or for anything, I'll go Dutch. So go Dutch, simple way to participate your own contribution. So do not let the carry another person your burden of expense. Number two, it's drive up the wall. Yeah, doesn't mean that you are driving against the wall, right? So you're gonna be crash it down, you're gonna be hurt yourself. Okay, don't try it at home. By the way, okay, drive up the wall, it means to get irritated, to get annoying, or maybe to irritate or to annoy. All right, so I'm pretty sure each of you must be having the people who are really annoying, irritating, maybe your friend circle, maybe especially your neighbor, or sometimes any of your sibling or any of your cousins. Definitely. So when someone irritates you, so you can simply use, you are driving me up the wall. So, oh, stop drive me up the wall. Your voice is really annoying. Stop yelling at me. So we can use in different situations and sounds native speaker. So today we learned the go Dutch to contribute for own expenses, and the second one, drive up the wall to irritate someone. Alright? So I hope that you learned something new. So if you really did, very first, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so that my next learning or teaching video get notified in your inbox, and please share this video to the people that who need really know or who are studying currently, so that they can scale up their communications. And I assure that my each video comes with something more learning in this one.